You probably know this saying, if you can't beat them, join them. What do I need to? Whoa, what's this? Did Google just ask me to join them? I'm in. Yeah, I'm going to show you. We'll make it happen. This is what we're going to do sort of today. We are going, you and I, we are going to change status quo starting now.
Product experts represent a global network.
The reality is Samsung and Google, they will continue with this partnership regardless, and the merger between Tizen and Wear OS still has room for improvement, and that is okay. What's not okay is that every time a Galaxy Watch 4 user, whether it be you or whether it be me, is looking for an answer, it's always somebody else's fault. I suppose that's the easy way out, but it's really not satisfactory to any of us, is it? All of this we're gonna change today. I joined Google's Product Expert program to become the expert on the Galaxy Watch 4 worldwide, starting now. There's one thing you should know before I unfold the entire story. If you are not subscribed to this channel, you may not find out how this will end up, how this will evolve. You may not find out any insight I will gain by participating in this program for your Galaxy Watch 4 or even beyond Galaxy Watch 5 or even beyond that. You see, when I was scouting for new intelligence for the missing Google Assistant on your Galaxy Watch 4, I came across two brand spanking new threads in the official Wear OS help guide. Number one, when will be the Google Assistant officially available on the Galaxy Watch 4? Samsung customer service said that is a Google issue. Here we go again. We know by now that Samsung Australia and Samsung Italy have confirmed that the Google Assistant will be available for your Galaxy Watch 4 soon. But obviously, the guy doesn't know that, and nobody else knows that. Sadly, there is no information about when or if this will get straightened out. It's one of the major downsides of this watch. Well, not really. Personally, I think it's Samsung causing the problem, just like they did by requiring their proprietary connectivity app instead of using Google Wear app. See this for the overview of the issue. So that wasn't really satisfactory, and the article here is really just another article complaining about the missing Google Assistant, no solution offered. So thread number 2 popped up, and after I finished with this thread, something really interesting happened, and I again saw this as a sign from above or from somewhere. Well, something happened. When will the Google Assistant for Galaxy Watch 4 be made available? You advertise with watches Wear OS that this is Wear OS and the Google Assistant, but in fact it's not. This seems misleading to me. Thank you very much and so on. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. The answer comes here. Unfortunately, Google doesn't provide direct user support for Wear OS, opting instead to defer to their manufacturing partners. I guess by now how this ping-pong game works, and it never gets old to finger point to somebody else. As I mentioned, we'll just have to wait and see if when Google Assistant might be made available for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, whether it's Google or Samsung, which will have to enable, that doesn't really matter. There's nothing we can do until they do it. Whilst the statement itself is true, the person who asked the question is left in limbo. Not a good state to be in, really. And here is what happened when I left my reply. I just wanted to educate everybody on what's going on. When I left my reply in this thread, suddenly an automated pop-up greeted me asking me to join their product expert program. You know, one of these pop-ups comes up, and when this happened, I saw this as my calling. Let me explain. In a way, you can't really fault anyone who's trying to help us out or who's trying to help the people who asked the question, because there is obviously that experience missing for new Wear OS combined with Tizen, because most product experts just simply don't have that. And of course, most of them have several Wear OS watches to stay on top of that, but it's like having or buying a washing machine that can wash and dry at the same time and does it well, but it's not great at doing one particular thing. And that's where we come in. Obviously, with your blessing, we're gonna work our way up to become the Google Diamond product expert for Galaxy Watch 4 users worldwide, Galaxy Watch 5, Galaxy Watch 6 users. Whatever comes along, we're going to be the ones who help each other out to stay on top and really give answers that people really help out, and they're answers that are just simply satisfactory to us, to everybody else. Apart from me creating more videos for you to give you more insight, maybe it's also a possibility to convey really important user feedback that comes from you guys, and maybe it's feedback that's just can't be overlooked for a change, and maybe somebody acts on it. Let me know if you are happy with this. If so, subscribe, like, and comment. I'm gonna make this happen for you. I joined already, so let's do this together. It's a joint effort. I need you for this, so I'm super excited to get this going. I really am. See you next time. Peace.